If you had been standing on this spot that morning, you and anyone around you would have been vaporized in a single, blinding flash. The devastation defied the comprehension even of the survivors who saw it with their own eyes.
90% these areas were killed. And this peace memorial areas, that's areas 3,000 citizens inhabited. Most were killed instantly.
The scenery around me was like an inferno, and I hardly believed my eyes.
It was said at the time that no vegetation would grow on this ground for 75 years. But in fact, the pink and white oleander bushes came back, and with them, the soul of Hiroshima. A new city has risen from the ashes. It's bright and clean, a kind of Japanese Minneapolis. There's a big league baseball team, a place to cool off, and shops filled with the high-tech gadgetry of modern Japan. Mazda makes its headquarters here, training both Americans and others in the latest manufacturing techniques. Life seems normal, but Hiroshima can never be just another city. Its unique identity and character were forged forever on that morning 40 years ago. For the survivors, there seems to be a special urgency to this anniversary. The Hiroshima maidens, the severely disfigured women who received medical treatment in the United States in the 1950s, have always been reluctant to appear in public. This year, nearly a dozen came out to greet their American friend and sponsor, Norman Cousins. The average age of the survivors is nearly 60. They are running out of time to tell their story.